Today I'll teach you how to design a Amazon logo. Now you can, first of all, you need to take a align segment tool and need to create it align, then just copy on this, shift and alt key press and drag and drop in this place. Now you can use the command Control D, then you can see there have lot of lines created in this place. Now you need to go on group, you need to go to group and make a group in this paths. Then you need to create a circle in midpoint. When you completed the circuit, you need to select both of these and go to align, horizontal align and vertical align. When you complete the alignment in these tools, you need to take more large shape or thin, you need to take it or larger, you need to go on align and horizontal align and vertical align. When you completed this, you need to go to shape builder tool and just delete all of path, unusable path. When you completed this process, you need to delete this circle. Now you can see it's a look like a circle in this point. When you completed this, you need to go on stroke panel and click on rounded cap. When you complete the rounded caps, you need to make a M sign in this midpoint. Selected both of these and rounded it on this place. When you completed this place, you need to go on edit and select add anchor point tool and direct selection tool. When you completed these tools, and you can drag it out on also this in this align position. When you completed this, you need to take another brushes for your design. Now when you complete this process, you need to take one single streak to make it a M sign for your logo. When you make it drag and out in this position, you go to view and outline mode. When you complete the outline mode, you can see in this path it's so cool and at this position. Now you just reflect this path, go to reflect option and copy. When you copy this you need to just drag it down on this position. When you completed this position, you need to just go on preview mode, view or preview mode, then you need to take both the lines, then you go on object and expand. When you completed this expand process, you need to copy and paste in font and give to this stroke color. When you completed the stroke color, you need to go on stroke value and increases the stroke value. When you increases these values, you need to go on expand object and expand these values. When you expanded this, you need to copy and copy whole of this size. When you copied whole of the size, you need to go on expand panel and take to expandness in these panels. When you complete this process, you need to just expand, select both of sticks and get on shape builder tool and just build a shape for your design. More gorgeous, then just deleted this kind of path and go on this path and deleted just these paths. When you click on unit, it just see on outline mode it's good a shape, it just single shapes. Now you need to go to preview mode, then you need to edit mode, then to your design. Now it just decreases these lines. Now we just need to adjust the color in this type of logo. Now you need to select both of these and just deselect the M. Then I create a switch of color panel gradient color. Then I adjust the color in this side. Design, I think it's for helping for improve your design. So now you can see this design on artboard. I think it's a cool for design. So it's make easier. So I think it's better for you. So number today. See you soon. Bye bye.